In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan an Atome QR code. At the moment, Atome can process payments for most QRPH QR codes, so this is a quick and convenient way to pay using the app. Before you begin, make sure you already have the QR code ready. If the Atome or QRPH code is showing on your phone screen, the easiest thing to do is take a screenshot first or save the image to your gallery. That way, you can upload it directly into the app instead of trying to scan something that's already on the same device. Start by launching the Atome app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and complete that first so you can access the payment features without interruption. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom center of the screen and tap the QRPH icon. This is the section used for scanning supported QR payment codes. After that, select the option that says Select from Photos. This is the best choice if you previously saved a screenshot or image of the QR code to your device. Your photo library will open, and from there choose the screenshot you took earlier. Once you've selected the correct image, tap Choose to Continue. The app will then read the QR code from that photo. If the QR code isn't saved as an image and is instead displayed somewhere else, like on a printed poster, a sign at a store, or on another phone or device, you can scan it directly with your camera. Just point your phone's camera toward the QR code and hold it steady for a moment. Make sure the code is clearly visible, well lit, and centered on the screen so the app can recognize it more easily. Once the scan is successful, the app should display the payment details. This may include the name linked to the QR code and the payment amount if the balance or amount was already pre-selected. Take a moment to review everything carefully before moving forward. This is an important step because it helps make sure you're sending the payment to the correct recipient and for the correct amount. If everything looks right, tap Confirm, Pay, or Send, depending on what appears in your version of the app. And that's it. Your QR code payment should now be processed through Atome. For the smoothest experience, always double-check the details before confirming and make sure your screenshot is clear if you're uploading from photos.